Hello again. In this visualization, we're going to look at the results for 2012 for the Human Development Index compiled by the UN Development Programme. If you recall, and as you can see here, the index was a composite one embracing 3 dimensions. In the lecture itself, we expressed several reservations about its construction, so don't forget that. The index covers a range from 1 to 0. The median or halfway point is at 0.7. The range in the top half of the index is more compressed than at the bottom half. There are a few countries missing, as you can see here. With 146 larger countries, each decile is 14, except for the first 6, which are 15. So which countries are at the top of the index? Well, 9 of the countries in the top decile were also in the top 15 of the list for purchasing power parity GDP. These include 6 medium-sized European countries, Norway, the Netherlands, Ireland, Sweden, Switzerland and Denmark, as well as Australia and the United States coming 2nd and 3rd respectively, and Hong Kong. These are joined by Germany, New Zealand in 5th and 6th place respectively, Japan, Korea and Israel. The richer countries dropping out of the index are Qatar, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Oman and Singapore. The next decile comprises most of the rest of the richer European countries. It's now that you see Singapore and Qatar come into the decile. The 3rd decile picks up a few remaining European states, and we start seeing some of South American countries appearing, as well as Belarus, Russia and Saudi Arabia. Now let's scroll through the middle range. Don't forget, though, you can always slow it down and pause it at any point of interest. Entering the last 3 deciles with a score of 0.519, we have Kenya, followed by Bangladesh and Pakistan. Myanmar, Nepal and Papua New Guinea also feature in this segment, but the rest is sub-Saharan Africa. Only Haiti breaks his sub-Saharan African presence in the bottom 20%. And don't forget, this is also a range in which one's faith in the detailed rankings shouldn't be too solid. Well, that concludes the visualizations accompanying this first week of lectures. I hope you've enjoyed them, and I also hope you'll take a more detailed look at the database, especially if you're focusing on a particular region, whether you're going to do the advanced track or not.